Simply put, Layer 3 switches are super fast routers that do Layer 3 forwarding in hardware, such as switches. We'll talk about Layer 3 switching on SG350 and SG550 series switches on this edition of Tech Talks next. We'll start today by logging into our switch and setting our display mode to Advanced. The 350 and 550 series switches work simultaneously in Layer 2 and Layer 3 mode, so we won't need to activate Layer 3 mode on our device. To create our VLANs, we'll start by navigating to the VLAN Management tab in the menu, then selecting VLAN Settings. Click Add at the bottom of the table, then enter a VLAN ID and VLAN name. Now click Apply to create the VLAN. Now we'll select the IP Configuration tab and go down to IPv4 Interface. On this page, we can enable IPv4 routing, which will enable routing among all Layer 3 interfaces and will allow traffic from one VLAN to be forwarded to another VLAN. To create a new IPv4 interface, which is a Layer 3 interface, simply click Add. Select the VLAN to which you would like to add an interface. Select Static IP as your IP address type, and then add the IP address of the switch for that VLAN along with a network mask. Click Apply. Now VLAN 20 will participate in the Layer 3 switching and inter-VLAN routing. To add more IPv4 routes, go to IPv4 Static Routes under IP Configuration. Click Add. Here, you can add the default gateway for the switch. For all traffic, type 4 zeros as an IP address and 4 zeros for the mask. Then, type the IP address of your gateway. You can add a defined metric, or you can leave it set to the default metric. Click Apply. Now, if the switch doesn't know the destination, it will forward it to your default gateway. Once you're done, click Save to save all configurations, and you're finished. How easy was that? You just enabled Layer 3 switching on your Cisco switch. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.